one should appear for Olympiad exams? Wait. I will tell you. Hi everyone. Welcome to Wisechamps. I am Tanya and today I am here to tell you about why you should prepare yourself for Olympiad exams in just 10 simple points. So let's get into the video. Point number 1. Olympiad exams assist kids to build their cognitive skills and analytical talents, which in turn accelerates the development of their skills. A student's speed, accuracy, and time management skills improve as they keep learning. Point number 2. Students get problem-solving skills from these exams. Through the Olympiad exams, students get exposure to competitive exam patterns, question types, and exam regulations. Students also get the chance to show their dedication on a national platform. Point number 3. Olympiad exams help children develop a sense of discipline and time management. Due to the tougher and more intellectual nature of the Olympiad problems, students get a better understanding of the subject. The results of routine classes are ultimately improved. Point number 4. Olympiad helps children develop confidence. It aids the student in assessing their level of comprehension, knowledge, and reasoning abilities. Point number 5. Olympiad exams help children develop interpersonal relationship skills and help young people develop a career path, in addition to improving logical thinking and brain speed. 6th point. These tests encourage kids to work hard, learn, and continue growing by establishing a healthy sense of competition in them. They also increase students' self-esteem and confidence. Point 7. Olympiad exams aid students in gaining leadership qualities, which increases their aptitude for logical and critical reasoning, so that students be better prepared for this difficult exam by having more experience and information. Point number 8. Olympiad exams helps children develop good communication skills at a very young age. It will encourage children to develop confidence and work hard in their studies for upcoming competitive exams. Point number 9. Olympiad exams helps students make a schedule and keep a track of time, stops them from feeling overwhelmed, and enables them to develop their own pace, all of which are necessary for them to perform well in their exams. Point number 10. These exams not only assist students in developing a healthy sense of competition, but also motivates them to concentrate and work in ways that lead to growth, keeping the motivation to achieve and succeed. Students put effort and receive more guidance to improve. Thank you for watching the video. For previous video, link is in the I button. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.